In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to invite a new user to your Xero account. This process is straightforward and will help you manage who has access to your business information in Xero. Start by logging into your Xero account. Once you've successfully logged in, look to the top left corner of your screen where you'll see your organization's name. Click on it and a drop-down menu will appear. From this menu, select Settings. This will take you to a new page where you'll need to locate the Users section. This is an essential area because it allows you to manage all the users who have access to your account. Once you're in the Users section, you'll see an option to Invite a User. Click on this and you'll be prompted to enter some details about the person you want to invite. You'll need to provide their first name, last name, and email address. It's important to double-check the email address before proceeding to ensure the invite reaches the correct person. After entering this information, you'll need to decide what kind of access this new user should have. Xero offers several access levels, and it's crucial to choose the one that best suits the new user's role in your organization. Let's quickly go through the access levels so you can make an informed decision. The invoice-only access level is ideal for staff members whose sole responsibility is to create and send invoices. It grants them the necessary tools without giving them access to other sensitive areas of your account. The standard access level is more comprehensive, designed for individuals responsible for day-to-day tasks. They can handle things like reconciling bank accounts and running essential financial reports. This is perfect for most employees who need to engage with Xero regularly. If you have an accountant or a bookkeeper who needs to oversee all aspects of your business and accounting features, you would choose the Advisor access level. This gives them full access to help ensure everything is running smoothly and aligns with accounting standards. Lastly, there's the Read-Only access option, which is suited for consultants or stakeholders who need to view information without making changes. This allows them to stay informed without the risk of inadvertently altering any data. Once you've decided on the appropriate access level, simply click Send Invite. The invite will be dispatched to the specified email address, and the recipient will be guided through the steps to access your Xero account. Remember, managing users in Xero is a great way to delegate tasks while maintaining control over who can see and manage your business's financial data. Ensuring each person has the correct level of access is key to maintaining both security and efficiency within your organization. That's it. You've now mastered the process of inviting users to your Xero account. Thank you for watching, and I hope you found this tutorial helpful.